How to check your Roblox password. In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 ways to find it if you've previously saved your Roblox login information. First, open your Safari on iPhone and go to Google Password Manager. Sign into the Google account where your Roblox password may be saved. Next, open Password Manager. Use the search bar to look for Roblox. If Roblox appears in your saved passwords, tap or click on it. Verify your identity using your device passcode, fingerprint, Face ID, or another security method if prompted. Now tap the eye icon to reveal your saved Roblox password. If you don't find Roblox in Google Password Manager, check your device's built-in password manager. Open Setting app on your iPhone. Tap on Passwords and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Search for Roblox and open the saved login information to view the password if it has been saved. Keep in mind that these methods only work if you previously saved your Roblox password. If it isn't saved anywhere, you'll need to reset your Roblox password instead. And that's it. That's how you can check your saved Roblox password using Google Password Manager or your phone's password manager. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Roblox tips and tutorials.